Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. RPA Use Case, Telecommunications. A prominent Australian telecoms company faced an accelerated demand for internet access. The process involved upgrading its network infrastructure and meeting the government's commitment to a national broadband network, a program that would ensure broadband access for millions of Australians. Such a large-scale national operation posed several issues for the company. It needed to find a way to roll out access quickly while keeping in mind the required high levels of service. Scaling up to this level is precisely the sort of task that RPA can be used for. The operation had 4 pillars. They were: enhancing service cycle times, driving great customer experiences, reducing service and operational costs, optimizing the output and productivity of the workforce. The firm employed 50 bots to drive efficiency across 2 main processes. These were quality assurance, order-build process. Some of the benefits of this application of RPA include saving over 2 hours on each order. On top of that, the business was able to slash labor costs significantly, saving around $5 million in delivery operating costs. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.